Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So I'm gonna show you on how to get this app, on how to set it up, and how to achieve a secure connection using this app. So head over to Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store, so this app is on Google Play Store. The app is known as 7x Proxy. So you search for that. So you search for that 7x Proxy VPN. So among the presented, you pick this one. The app is known as 7x Proxy VPN. This app will help you to secure your connection to add an extra layer of security, so to enhance on your online activities when you are online. So before you use any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. Also use VPNs responsibly, following your local laws. And after that, open the app to set it up. So when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So when you reach in the app interface, you are required to do some settings. First of all, you are required to tap on the home menu button right here. Then from the presented, you tap on update, check update, and when you tap on check update, the app will update its resources to the latest version, and it will give you the best service when you are using it. So after updating the app, you are required to pick a server where you see all servers. From this area, you pick a server. For today's video, we have chosen auto server, so make sure to pick a server which will work for you. So when you pick auto server, the app will pick the best performing server in your region. So after that, you are required to pick a network or a connection method. So for today's video, make sure to pick the All Country UDP. This is because UDP is working for all country. Just in case your country supports UDP, this option will work for you. And if it doesn't, please you tap here. Then you can search for your country name or network, and it will be presented to you. Then you will be able to pick it, then you can secure your connection. So for today's video, please you pick the All Country UDP mode. So lastly, to ensure a fast and a secure connection and to add extra protection when you are online, you are required to tap on this start button. So when you tap on the start button, you wait patiently as the app connects, and as you can see, the app is right away connected. And that's how we set up 7x Proxy VPN to secure our online connection, add extra protection when you are online. And let's meet again.